The future of Philippine basketball sure looks good. Batang Gilas moved within a win of a FIBA Under-19 World Cup berth after a hot start in the FIBA U18 Asian Championship at Nonthaburi, Thailand. The Philippine basketball youth team, which completed a surprise sweep of the group stage, will face Chinese Taipei or Bahrain next in a quarterfinal match, where a semi-final slot and a World Cup berth are up for grabs. The top four in the 16-team field will represent Asia in the 2019 FIBA U19 World Cup. Chinese Taipei and Bahrain will clash on Wednesday, August 8, where the winner will advance against the Philippines in a knockout battle on Thursday, August 9. Led by AJ Edu, Dalph Panopio, Sotto and Dave Ildefonso, Batang Gilas completed a 3-0 sweep of Group B, capped by a stunning victory over traditional powerhouse China. Behind Ildefonso, Batang Gilas shocked China 73-63 to top Group B and secure an outright quarterfinal slot last Tuesday, August 7. The young nationals previously lost to China by an average of 33.7 points in 3 previous meetings. Batang Gilas also routed Lebanon by 22 points, 75-53, then drubbed United Arab Emirates by 43 points, 92-49. If Batang Gilas wound up securing the FIBA U19 World berth, it would be another successful run for the young Filipino crew, who also clinched a berth in the FIBA Under-19 World Cup, where they nabbed a record-high world finish at 13th overall last July.